Have you ever felt confused or vulnerable during a police encounter? Worried about saying the wrong thing or unknowingly giving up your rights? Many people face stress and uncertainty when interacting with law enforcement, often leading to unintended consequences. Understanding your legal rights can feel overwhelming, especially in high-pressure situations. What if you could approach every interaction with confidence and clarity? Introducing Outsmarter Cops, your essential guide to navigating police encounters with knowledge and peace of mind. This comprehensive resource empowers you with critical legal insights to protect yourself effectively. Outsmarter Cops simplifies complex legal jargon into an easy-to-understand format. Learn your rights during traffic stops, police questioning, and protests. Discover what to say, what not to say, and when your right to remain silent is paramount. Understand search warrants, probable cause, and how to prevent unlawful searches. The guide also covers digital privacy, helping safeguard electronic devices and online data. Gain practical tips and real-life scenarios for de-escalating situations and asserting your boundaries. Stay updated with current legal information, ensuring you always have relevant advice. Empower yourself to make informed decisions and uphold your constitutional protections. Don't wait until it's too late to learn your fundamental rights. Take control of your personal safety and legal standing today. Get your copy of Outsmarter Cops and walk away from every encounter feeling secure, confident, and informed. The link to purchase this invaluable guide is provided in the description below.